We are pleased to show you the 2019 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.